will not solve anything. And do not come to us asking for money. It will be wasted money, I promise you. I think once and for all, dapat gumawa ang DepEd ng isang org chart by function. So like for every school, may functions naman na standard, di ba? To run a school, you need a X number of record keepers, X number of accountants, X number of librarians, X number of janitors, X number of, meron by function di ba? In order to run a school of a particular size. So kunwari, ganito yung size, for every function, ito yung bilang. Di ba? Dapat may ganon. Meron po ba kayong ganon?
Yes, by function.
Yeah. Actually, right now we are into the organization staffing.
Yes or no lang po. Meron po bang ganon ng DepEd?
Right now.
Ginagawa pa namin.
So
wala.
wala ngayon. There is none.
We have the old one, yung
No, so yes or no lang po.
1997.
Meron po ba or wala?
Wala pa
Oh, so
when it comes to the organizational structure.
Doon po tayo may problema. Meron tayong memo MC 002 na nagsasabi, immediately tanggalin natin ang ang admin work ng teacher. Ang problema, hindi nga natin alam kung paano tinatamaan ng teacher. Yun ang problema. Kaya tuloy, hire tayo ng hire. Hindi natin alam kung ano ang pangangailangan ng bawat school. So, at the end of the day, ang solusyon dito pera. Sa bawat school, kung meron tayong ganong, I don't know what you call that, yung staffing pattern. Diba? Kung meron kang ganon na standard for every school, malalaman mo. Kulang tayo ng 3 record keepers sa school na to, na dati ginagampanan ng 3 teachers. Wala tayong ganon. So, hindi tayo makapagbilang kung ilan dapat ang ide-deploy natin na karagdagang tao. So, pasensya na po, sir, ha? Pero, yun ang problema natin lahat. Kaya kahit na maghanap tayo ng number of items, hindi natin nasusolve ito, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, 1997, we have that staffing organization structure na pinafollow natin. And in 2016, we have that organization structure for senior high school. Yun yung ating nagiging basihan as regards doon sa mga...
Magkaibang senior high, ah?
Yes, iba po siya, ma'am. But of course, doon kami...
Huwag muna natin pag-usapan ng senior high.
Yung sa 1997 na structure po, doon po kami nakabase na kung saan as of now, kailangan magiging relevant tayo. That's why we are having now ongoing yung ating study on the structure of the schools.
Sir, ang pinag-uusapan po natin is the admin portion. Huwag muna natin i-delineate by level. Hindi naman nagbago ang pamamalakad. Hindi naman nagbago ang paglilinis ng school, ang pagbibilang ng pera sa school, hindi po ba? Hindi naman nagbago eh. So, malamang, pareho pa rin yung required number of librarians, record keepers, etc. So, kahit na luma, palagay ko, it's still useful. So, halongkatin po ninyo ang staffing pattern na yan kahit luma. And that will be a useful starting point. Doon po tayo magbilang.
Ang tinutukoy ko po na 1997 staffing pattern is that from the principal, diretso na kasi siya doon sa teachers.
Hindi po,
Ayun po.
Again, teaching lahat. Walang
Opo, sir.
non-teaching.
Wala po.
Yes,
Kaya
and
nga,
I'm
so-
telling you, sir.
Kaya hindi na siya nagiging responsive.
No, yes, sir. Ang pinag-uusapan po natin, admin. Kalimutan muna natin yung teaching part. Admin ang pinag-uusapan natin.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
need to have a
Sige po.
standard for that.
We'll
So,
take it po.
kaya tayo nagkakagulo, right? So, ngayon, it's very random. So, ngayon, the burden falls upon the school head. Kanya-kanyang diskarte ng school head. Ganun di ba? In reality, kanya-kanyang banat ng school head. Kung magaling si school head, kinakaya ng school head na, ito, meron, nagkataon na magaling din ang teacher na to. So, kawawa yung magaling na teacher. Napunta sa magaling na teacher, hala, parang siyang patotot. Ginawa niya ang record keeping, ang lahat, ang accounting. Siya na rin na nagluto para sa school feeding program. Tama ba? Ayun ang nakikita ko pag bumibisita ako sa school. So, natatawa ang teacher. Tama! Ayun eh. Wala po tayong standards. Yun ang problema. So, bago po natin pagdebatihan ang ating memo na maganda po sana at ang numero na maganda po sana, it will not solve anything. And do not come to us asking for money. It will be wasted money, I promise you. Maraming solution, sir, na available. So, it's just a matter of, yes, but it will all begin with a staffing pattern for admin tasks. And if you can please submit that to the committee within the day, because presumably you have that. And even if it's a 1920 document, we will accept it as a starting point.